Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be preparing some mandazi. They are so easy to make, so delicious. So come along, let's make mandazi. So in this recipe I'll be using 4 cups of flour, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and then give it a quick mix. Once the oil has rubbed in, I'll go in with a 1/4 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of yeast. Plus a pinch of salt. And then mix. I'll then go in with 1 egg and then adding milk gradually. So after the milk has dissolved, I'll then transfer our dough onto the table. And then I'll heat it to make the kneading faster. So you just keep on folding and heating until the dough is ready. And that takes between 10 to 15 minutes. So just as easy as that, we're done with the kneading part. So I'll just fold my dough and then put it back. So I'll go ahead and smear some oil on top. And then I'll cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes. Well, after 30 minutes, I'll start by splitting it into smaller parts. And then you cut it into 4 pieces. Just like that. So I'll just put them on the tray. So the oil is not supposed to be very hot, and in just a few minutes your mandazi will be ready. Perfect mandazi.
Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.